Joe, what do you got there? Are those Mommy's catalogs? Yeah. They look like they're a lot of fun. Joey! Can I see your pretty face? Hi, Joseph. Hi, Joseph. Yeah? What? You have paper? No, let's not eat them. No, not in the mouth. All right. Let's go play something more productive. Bye-bye.